Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Hijazi bin Abdul Hadim. I am from class 4 STEM 1 and I am the presenter and the leader of the group 1.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Hassan Bisani from class 4 STEM 1 and I am the main model designer of group 1.
Hi, my name is Islam bin Ofasli from class 4 STEM 1 and I am the special model designer of the group 1.
Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm from class 4 STEM 1 and I am the presenter and the video editor of group 1.
In this brochure, we have included information related to the introduction of the digestive process and the type of digestion.
everyone, my name is Muhammad Hijazi bin Abdul Halim. I am from class 4 STEM 1 and I am the presenter from Kumpulan, Group 1. So today I will give you a description about the completed KmR project entitled Voyage down Alimentary Canal. So my group has completed 2 modules, namely the main module which shows the entire digestive part, and the second model is a special model related to the health issues of digestive organ modification. So all the materials used to produce these 2 models are from recycled materials. For example, the recycled materials used are such as rubber tubes, mounting boards, mineral bottles and colored paper. To begin with, I will give you a situation for you to imagine before I start the whole explanation. So, the situation is Ali eats white rice and fried chicken at lunch. White rice contains carbohydrates, while fried chicken contains proteins and lipids. So, all these classes of food will be digested through the digestive process. So, the digestive process begins in the mouth. In the mouth alimentary canal, food is chewed into small pieces to increase the total surface area for the action of the salivary amylase enzymes. The salivary amylase enzyme will hydrolyze the starch into maltose. Next, the food will form into a bolus and will enter from mouth into the esophagus. In the alimentary canal of the esophagus, the bolus will go through the process of peristalsis, which is an action of contraction or relaxation of muscles rhythmically along the alimentary canal. After that, all the food from the esophageal alimentary canal will enter the alimentary canal of the stomach for protein digestion. On the alimentary canal of the stomach, there are epithelial cells that produce the gastric glands. These epithelial cells are composed of sheath cells, parietal cells, and mucus cells. The sheath cells will secrete pepsinogen, which is an inactive enzyme that will be activated by the hydrochloric acid to become the pepsin enzyme. This active pepsin enzyme then hydrolyzes the protein into polypeptides. On the other hand, the parietal cells will secrete hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which serves to provide an acidic medium for the action of the pepsin enzyme, stop the action of the salivary amylase enzymes, and kill bacteria in the food. Mucous cells will secrete mucus that serves to protect the stomach. Next, all the food will form into chyme, which is a special fluid that enters the alimentary canal of the duodenum through the process of peristalsis. The alimentary canal of the duodenum is the first part of the small intestine that receives chyme from the stomach. The duodenum will receive bile that is synthesized in the liver. This bile serves to neutralize the acid in the food from the stomach, provides an alkaline medium for the action of pancreatic amylase enzyme, lipase and trypsin, and it also serves to emulsify lipids into lipid droplets to increase the total surface area for the action of lipase enzymes. In addition, the duodenum also receives pancreatic juice secreted by the pancreas. This pancreatic juice contains the enzyme pancreatic amylase, lipase and trypsin. So, in the duodenum, there is already have all the pancreatic amylase enzyme that hydrolyzes starch to maltose. The trypsin enzymes hydrolyzes polypeptides into peptides, and the lipase enzymes that hydrolyzes lipids to fatty acid and glycerol. Next, in the small intestine also contain intestinal glands that secrete intestinal juices. This intestinal juice contains the enzymes maltase, sucrase, lactase, and ellipsins. Maltase hydrolyzes maltose to glucose, sucrase hydrolyzes sucrose to glucose and fructose, lactase hydrolyzes lactose to glucose and galactose. The enzyme ellipsin hydrolyzes peptides into amino acids. So, in the end, all the carbohydrates that are in the white rice and all the protein and lipids found in the fried chicken have been completely digested in the alimentary canal of the small intestine. While for the undigested food will be sent to the large intestine for the defecation process. Okay, for the second model we have created is a special model of digestive organ modification that is called gastric bypass surgery. So, you all can see here the alimentary canal of the stomach before being bypassed on the main model and the stomach after being bypassed on the special model. So, in general, this gastric bypass involves a reduction in the size of stomach using a variety of surgical methods. This alternative method is highly recommended by specialist doctors when you have used various ways to reduce the problem of obesity, but still, it is also ineffective. The short-term side effects of this surgery are acid reflux, nausea, vomiting, dilated esophagus, inability to eat certain types of food, and the risk of infection. Long-term side effects include dizziness, low blood sugar levels, malnutrition, stomach ulcers, and defecation problems. Okay, so I guess you all must be feeling so excited to see how this model is working. So, let's do some simulation.
So, our group also has collected BMI from 10 students of 4th Term 1 and had classified them into groups according to this pie chart. It has healthy weight, underweight, overweight. Okay, so this is the 4 group that we have classified. So the first one is heavy weight, healthy weight. So healthy weight, 30% of the student has healthy weight. 50% of the student is underweight. 10% of the student is overweight. And 10% of the student is obese. So, to prevent being obese, we can do many exercises such as squat, pumping, sit-up, and many more. And if it doesn't work, you can do a surgery on your gastric like our model has shown.
These are the 5 ways to keep our digestive system healthy. Number 1, eat a high fiber diet. Number 2, select lean meats. Number 3, be sure you are getting both soluble and insoluble fiber. Number 4, minimize your intake of foods high in fat. And lastly, add probiotics to your diet. Like Alex Jamison said, what we eat determines how well our digestion works. And that is all from our team. Thank you.